Crafting the perfect look for a date night is about more than just clothes. It's about matching the vibe. Whether you're at a cozy cafe or an upscale restaurant, your outfit sets the tone for the evening. Dressing appropriately for the setting can enhance the experience and make the night memorable. Formal settings. In casual settings like a local cafe, opt for a laid-back style. Pair jeans with a trendy blouse or a simple t-shirt, and add sneakers or stylish flats. For formal settings, elegance is key. Choose a cocktail dress or an elegant suit, complemented by heels or classic leather shoes. Accessories like a statement necklace or a sophisticated watch can complete the look. Outdoor dates require practical yet stylish choices. Layer with a light jacket or cardigan, and choose comfortable bottoms like chic pants or skirts. Weatherproof footwear is essential. For indoor dates, focus on tailored fits that enhance your silhouette. Play with luxurious textures like velvet or silk, and accessorize subtly to match the environment. Planning your date night outfit can be both fun and challenging. Your attire sets the mood and boosts your confidence. Choose pieces that are both stylish and comfortable, ensuring you feel your best throughout the evening. Remember, the right outfit can transform a simple night into an unforgettable experience. Colors can influence perceptions and moods. Red is known for passion, black for elegance, blue for calmness, and pink for romance. Consider the mood you want to convey when selecting your outfit's color. Whether it's a fiery red dress or a calming blue ensemble, your choice can communicate your feelings without words. Comfort is crucial for a successful date night. Choose fabrics that allow you to move freely and feel at ease. Cotton is breathable, silk is luxurious, linen is perfect for warm evenings, and wool keeps you warm in colder months. Avoid outfits that require constant adjustment, so you can focus on enjoying the evening. Accessories can elevate your date night look. Consider statement earrings, delicate necklaces, or a sleek watch. A small clutch can add elegance. Accessories should reflect your personality and complement your outfit, adding that final touch to make your ensemble stand out. For a romantic dinner, elegance is key. Women can opt for a little black dress, while men might choose a tailored suit. For a casual coffee date, jeans with a chic blouse or a casual button-up work well. If your date involves activities, prioritize comfort with leggings or athletic wear. An outdoor picnic calls for practical yet stylish choices like sundresses or casual shorts. Feeling your best on a date night involves more than just your outfit. Start with a clean, moisturized base for your makeup. Use a lightweight foundation, play up your eyes with soft shades, and choose a long-lasting lip color. Hairstyles like soft waves or a classic bun can complement your look, enhancing your overall appearance. Confidence is the ultimate accessory that can transform any outfit. Own your style by wearing what makes you feel amazing. Stand tall with good posture, make eye contact, and move with ease. Confidence enhances your attire, making you shine from within. Remember, it's not just about the clothes. It's about how you carry yourself.